Oh God, you're going to ask me the day, aren't you? I don't know. Right, okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Friday, 24th of July, and we are at Shenington for the JKC Round 5.
Yep, so we'll just wait for the engine to go. Love a bit of Shenny. Don't like it in the wet. It's nice and dry today, which is good. As you can see, I'm still sporting the shoulder injury, the sling, so I'm one-handed today.
But it's all right, we've got Josh on mechanics, so we're good.
Josh is on spanners.
Yeah.
So Zach quite likes Shenny. We're hoping for some good results this weekend, but we hope for that all the time, but our luck never falls our way. I apologise for the lateness of this video coming out, but as you can tell, I'm editing one-handed, so I'm a little bit behind at the moment, and I'm like a walking pharmacy. So we're hoping for a good weekend. It's just going to be, hopefully the weather holds up, it stays like this.
Yeah, forecast does predict rain, just a little bit, but enough, particularly on the Sunday in the afternoon.
And we're hoping Zach's ribs hold up, because the last round of Super 1, where I'd done this damage, I obviously couldn't do anything, and then Zach couldn't do anything because his ribs. So we had to pull out that whole round. So we've had some rest, and Zach's had some rest, shall I say.
Well, it's been 3 weeks since he had the injury, so we're hoping that's sufficient time to repair whatever damage was done.
But he's about to go out now, so we'll find out when he comes in. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you watch the end, it really helps us. I'll say give it a like, subscribe, and I'll put my hand here and say like, subscribe, but I can't because it's down there. It's like a little raptor hand, I call it. It's just sort of
You can't even do it.
You can do it. It's raptor hand, so give us a like and subscribe. Right, let's see how the day goes. Zach's on the grid. I'm not sure where he is.
Morning, everybody. On this
Morning,
nice sunny day. As long as it stays like this, we're fine.
He'll be fine. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful day, Andy. At Shenny. This is your park firmware area. Mind you, this is a good size. So they come in over there. So there's a gap in the fence. And you've got a lot of room here. So you don't have the problems like you do at PF or other tracks where you struggle for room. And then scrutineering for Shenington is in this building here. And there we go. So, weighbridge is here. So the carts come in from that area there. So they come through, straight into the weighbridge. Or not being weighed, they go right and into Park Ferme. So Shenny is the ideal layout. And hopefully, we might be in it this weekend. Fingers crossed, because we're missing Dizzy.
Morning, lads.
There he is.
For it today? I hope so.
Your top scrutineer, Dizzy.
Look, I won't touch him, he's very injured.
Well,
We've got to look after our mates.
I need to remember I'm not 21 anymore.
Definitely not. Scooters are a no-go.
Yeah. Right, Zach's come back in his practice. And seeing this is his first day of practice, he just told me that another driver already tried to put him in the grass.
Okay, first practice session done. Look pretty good. Hoping Zach's ribs are okay. He's not said they're not. Just that another driver tried to push him off track. However, let's see how the rest of the sessions go today. So you've got me on camera again. And he's had to go and have a sit down because his arm is aching. Yeah, hopefully we'll finish the day today. We finished the first practice session, so that's a bonus on the last weekend. So we're heading into pre-grid for practice 2. Alpha time is working now, so it'll give us an indication of how he's getting on. I've come to the far end of the track, where you've got the big loopy hairpin bend, just to get a different view really. You can get quite a good view of the track from up here. So Zach's feedback has been to concentrate on his driving, concentrate on the apexes, concentrate on the hairpin bends, and improve his line. He's come out fairly near the front. So he's not really got anyone in front track as best as he can. Okay, so he's currently in third, E-House first, H. Harvey second, Zach Jennings third, Teddy Cooper fourth. Let me put my glasses on, I'll have a proper look. 43.9 and Varsus on track is 43.77, so it's only 0.1 off. In fact, he's now second. Oh, just been pipped to the post. So back to third, 43.78 versus a 43.62. Okay, this is good. This is good. We need a decent weekend after missing. Well, we need a decent weekend after Rowra, because on the Sunday he was just letting everyone past him. Right, so everyone else is getting quicker. He's now been pushed down into sevens, so we've got 43.49 now, so that's 3/10 off that. So that's last, right. Yeah, pushed down to 6 now. So a few other drivers quicker. 43.45 now quickest.
He said he was sliding around the back a bit, but again, it's the new OTK chassis. It's only second time using it, so he's got to get used to it. Let's see how we get on this one.
Anything falls off now, it's not my fault. That's a lie.
Right, Zach, are you more comfy now? Can you breathe? You can't breathe. Okay, are you going to hit some apexes? Right, okay, so I think we're following Josh's lead here. Now everyone's trying to go and they're all getting stuck. Okay, because that's just done something that really frustrates me, which is sitting on the pre-grid, or sitting on the grid, waiting to go out. Anyway, he's following what his mechanics tell him to do, so I'll go with that. But I don't get how wasting time of your practice session helps. So at Rowra, they did this, and they ended up giving them 30 seconds to get out, and if they don't get out, they shut the gate. So there's a good chance they might do that again this weekend. Okay, so we have 3 minutes 31 seconds left. Zach is currently third. So Zach's got a nice gap ahead of him, hoping he's focusing on the track, on the feedback that he's been given by Josh. For practice session 4, lunch. So weather's cooled down a touch. A little bit of cloud cover now, just takes the edge off the temperature. So we were going to put our other engine on, but Josh is still refining the setup. So we're leaving our main engine on, seeing how we go. Bye. Come, although Zach is still staying put in his spot on the grid.
Well, I don't know if that's everyone wanting to get behind Zach or not, but at the moment Zach moved, everyone went. Maybe they're trying to keep you off his pace. Never mind. Probably not though, just one of those things.
Not doing quite as well as he was on the previous practices, but I don't know whether that's because he's stuck in a sandwich. Okay, so Lauren McVeigh currently quickest on track with Noah Clare in second, so the two Project 1 drivers. Newhouse is now fastest. Right, Zach's got past that driver. Still in 12. 2 minutes 59 seconds left. He's pulling away those other drivers, so I'm guessing he was a bit stuck. Yeah, he's building a reasonable gap in front of him now. So he did, it was on the 44.02, now about to come over the line. Straight up to third, 43.58. You can see the gap he's built up. He's now behind Aston Brown. Thankfully, the injury he's got with his ribs seems to be so much better. He still gets twinges, he said, while he's out, but we can handle the odd twinge. So I'm just seeing where he's coming. He's now holding fifth. Noah Clare's ahead of him now. You've done really well, is it?
Yeah, wait on.
You were holding third for quite a while. In the end, you went down to seventh. Lap 5 was your best. Lap 5.
With just 2 rounds of the championship remaining, we're getting towards the business end of the season, and Friday testing started incredibly well, with Zach showing genuine top 5 pace. But there was one thing we were keeping a very close eye on throughout the day. After hurting his ribs at Rowrah, Zach was feeling much better coming to Shenington, but as Friday went on, the pain slowly started creeping back in. Session by session, it was becoming more uncomfortable. So while we're really happy with the pace, there was still a big question hanging over the weekend. Just how much was that rib going to affect him? Because the pace was definitely there, unfortunately, so was the pain. And as we've learnt many times this season, having the pace is only part of the story.
This is our last practice of the day, practice 5. We've changed Zach's engine. We've put on what used to be our number 1 engine that Zach blew up, so to speak. It was rebuilt, and then we've had Tilly Bishop putting some hours on it for our practice. So we've just put it on and we're sending Zach out on it to see how it fares.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll find out whether this engine, which is, as Em said, our race engine 1's got any guts in it. If Zach didn't muck up that corner so much, I'd have seen him do, we might be able to find out.
Okay, so he's down in 14.
He's in traffic at the moment.
Stuck in a bit of traffic.
So I'm just trying to look at his...
So at 24 is 20 seconds.
Yeah, so as I'm looking at his driving, how he's putting out corners, so we're nice really cut round.
You see how hot and dry it's been lately? There is literally no grass.
Yeah, he's got no mid.
Right, he's second to last.
Yeah, he's still in traffic, but he's got no mid, so it appears that he's coming out the corners okay, but then that's it, everyone just catches him straight away.
Oh! Brilliant.
Did we catch that?
I don't know.
That's like that, his rib no good, and he's looking at his engine. Yeah,
I
he's
wouldn't
in.
be surprised if he comes in after that. He's going so slow, is he in?
Yeah, he's in. Yeah, he's in. Right, so someone very kindly just drove over Zach. I think it could be a bent axle. Not too sure,
I hope it's not, I might just put it in.
but he's in. Typical, as always. We strap a new engine on to see if we get some feedback from it. And 3 laps in, someone drives over him.
This season hasn't been ours. We've had damage, DNFs, mechanical problems and plenty of setbacks. Running both Super 1 and the Kart Championship has been draining mentally and financially, and the driving standards have certainly been interesting at times. There are a few drivers we've had repeated incidents with, but they're young, they're learning, and that's karting. We've come close to the podium, but always seemed a few steps away. We've still got a few rounds left, and with this one being our final karting season before moving to cars, we've got to enjoy every lap that's left. Then a new chapter begins.
Okay.
And
Right, so need to get new nose cone. Didn't drop though.
Jake's cheering on that, mate. Did we go on the wall?
No,
No, it was on the hairpin bend.
he literally just drove straight. Heavily. Right, let's go and get new nose cone. Let's have that axle out. is what it is.
Has that been looking at your videos?
That's racing. Yeah.
I don't know why it's always Zach.
Expect a bit tomorrow, wasn't
It wasn't, yeah, but Zach
Wasn't that last practice?
Yep. So we've ruined our last practice.
Is that the last one?
Yep.
it? What's gone, Axel?
And front nose cone, bumper ends.
Andy, can we not go near that engine this week?
What have we got? Oh shit.
Does not go down the straight like
Shit.
Well, we didn't know. We haven't used it in ages.
Zach, like, it would.
There's something there. It came out the corner, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
That's really...
It's like your bend now.
Good that.
Hit it with hammer, it'll be rude.
As we get towards the end of the season, the reality is we just don't have the budget to keep rebuilding engines. So Zach's doing the best he can with what we've got, and that's all we can ask of him. The damage bills haven't helped either. When you're constantly spending money repairing the car after incidents, that money has to come from somewhere, and unfortunately, it comes straight out of our racing budget. At this point in the season, we're basically trying to make what's left of the budget and the equipment last until the end. That's the reality of family motorsport. Sometimes it's not about having the fastest equipment, it's about making the most of what you've got.
Never noticed. I always stand on your left.
It's like Anne and Deck, isn't it? They always stand the same
Never
way
noticed
around.
that at all. Just realised that. Good evening. So, Friday practice is done. Pace has been okay, I think.
Yeah, it's been really good today.
Been really good. As you know, for the footage, we did strap on our racing engine number 1. That's still crap.
Yep.
So that's come straight off. That needs more time on it. So that's going to go back to Tilly Bishop, so you can use that for practice and get some more hours on it. Had some damage, got driven over. So we've had a bent steering column,
Bent axle, new front bumper,
lack of front bumper because that's split in half.
new bumper ends.
Our bumper ends are gone as well.
Yep.
Oh, great. So as always, car's expensive. So tomorrow is race day. Thursday we've got practice, then we go into qualifying. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we should qualify top 10 if anything's go by his pace today. We've been looking at both junior grids and his pace is up there. So if we can get into that top 10, that'd be good. And it's all down to racecraft then on the actual track. So thanks for watching this video. Obviously, bear with me one-handed. So it might take a bit of time to come out, so I apologise if it's a bit late. Remember, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.
See ya.